Welcome to Folktales Corner. The name of the story is Ganesha. Long ago, God Shiva and wife goddess Parvati lived on Mount Kailash. Once, Parvati was alone at home. She did not have anyone to guard the cave. So, she took some turmeric powder in her hand and began to pray. Soon, a young boy stood before her. The boy then touched Parvati's feet. She named him Ganesha. Parvati told Ganesha to stand at the entrance of the house and not to let anyone inside. Ganesha did so. Days passed. Ganesha would spend his time by either sleeping or eating laddus. A few days later, Shiva returned home. Ganesha stopped him at the entrance and said, "You cannot go inside." Shiva was shocked, as an unknown boy was stopping him from entering his own house. Shiva said, "Step aside. This is my house." Ganesha said, "No, I will not let you go in. This is my mother's house. You go away." Shiva got very angry at this disrespect. He took out his trident and beheaded the boy. Then he entered the house. Shiva shouted, "How dare that boy stop me from entering my house?" When Parvati heard this, she rushed towards the gate and found Ganesha's head and body lying separately on the ground. Parvati was extremely angry. She started crying and said, "Mahadeva, how could you do this?" Parvati continued crying. Shiva was sad when Parvati told him the entire story about Ganesha. So, he ordered his helpers to bring the head of an infant whose mother was sleeping with her back to the infant. The helpers could not find such an infant except for an elephant. So, Shiva put the elephant's head on Ganesha's body and breathed life in it. Shiva then said people would worship Ganesha before worshipping any god. Ganesha would be considered Vigneshwara, the remover of all difficulties. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Folktales Corner for more story related videos. Bye for now.